Crazy World Events channel.
Please subscribe and press the bell if you enjoy my video. More video is waiting for you.
Did you know? World's most astonishing and amazing tiny creatures can live just anywhere?
No way.
Let's check it out.
What is that one? Wait, what is that?
This tiny creature called tardigrades, in others' name also called water bears, or moss piglets. A new species of tardigrades has just been discovered in Japan, raising the known species of tardigrades in Japan to 168 species. The new tardigrade was found in a clump of moss that was sticking out of a concrete parking lot in Tsuruoka City, Japan. The new species has been named Macrobiotus shonaicus. Its eggs have a solid surface, making it part of the Hufflandi group. But the eggs also have flexible filaments attached to their tops, similar to the eggs produced by two recently discovered species. The new species contains a mix of characteristics from other species. Boil them, freeze them, crush them, dry them out or blast them into space. Tardigrades or water bears will survive it all and come back for more. These amazing creatures can live just about anywhere. A space mission, Tardigrade in Space, was conducted in 2007. Showed that tardigrades can survive exposure to the vacuum of space. Research showed that tardigrades are truly ancient. Fossils of tardigrades have been dated to over 500 million years ago. Tardigrades can withstand extreme temperatures. They can survive in environments as cold as -272.8 Celsius, and can withstand temperature higher than 148 Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit. For most animals, life without water is completely impossible. However, tardigrades can survive extreme desiccation. Researchers found that tardigrades curl up into a dry shell upon drying. This state is commonly known as ton and it resembles closely to death. These small amazing creatures can live in ton state for decades. During ton state, their metabolic activity gets as low as 0.01% of normal levels. Tardigrades have unique anti-dehydration proteins, called tardigrade-specific intrinsically disordered proteins, TDPs. These proteins exist in jelly-like form in the presence of water. However, during desiccation these proteins turn into a glass-like structure, protecting all the dehydration-sensitive material from harm inside the cells. In 1995, dried tardigrades were brought to life after 8 years. Tardigrades can tolerate ice formation within their cells in extreme cold. They produce chemicals called ice-nucleating agents. These agents help them form crystals outside their cells rather than inside. As a result, their vital molecules are protected from cold. Tardigrades can bear extreme pressures that would squash most animals flat. Under ton state, they can survive a pressure of 600 megapascals. They can also survive huge amounts of radiation. Tardigrades have a proteins called DSUP, which protects them from damaging X-rays. Researchers were able to transfer that resilience to human cells. Tardigrades tinged human cells suppressed X-ray-induced damage by about 40%. These findings can one day benefit people undergoing radiation therapy. Tardigrades' genome represents great genetic treasures. And we are really just at the beginning of exploring it.
Please subscribe and press the bell if you enjoy my video. More video is waiting for you.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video.